Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. Tonight's story is Kind Peacock Prince. If you enjoyed my story, please bookmark, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. In the magical forest kingdom, there's an extremely handsome peacock. His feathers are like gorgeous gems, blooming with colorful brilliance. The name of this peacock prince is Huang. He rules over a land full of magic and life, and he cares deeply for his people. The glorious kingdom is a beautiful forest, with towering trees covered with fluttering vines and flowers swaying in the breeze. The whole kingdom was filled with laughter, because Huang had always tried his best to let his people live a happy and healthy life. One day, a cry of lamentation came from the kingdom. Huang unfolded his beautiful peacock wings and flew toward the source of the sound. He discovers a group of birds whose home was destroyed by a sudden storm. The little birds lost their warm nests, and they cried faintly in the grass. Huang felt pity in his heart and decided to help these little birds. He summons the most dexterous animals in the kingdom, including rabbits, squirrels, and beetles. Everyone worked together to rebuild the birds' nests with vines and leaves, ensuring that they would have a warm home again. This move spread throughout the forest kingdom, and the people expressed their admiration for the glory. They lamented that their prince not only had a beautiful appearance, but also had a heart full of love and kindness. Huang did not stop his good deeds. One day, he found a lost deer hiding fearfully in the bushes. Huang stepped forward, gently comforted the deer, and then guided it to find its way home. The fawn's mother was grateful, and they jumped happily under the tree, as if celebrating the warmth that every creature in the kingdom brought. Huang's acts of kindness spread like ripples throughout the kingdom. Every animal, big or small, felt his care. He helped the little animals solve various problems, some of which were to find lost relatives, some to repair injured claws, and some to bring companionship to lonely animals. Under the glorious guidance, this magical forest kingdom becomes more harmonious. The animals learn to care for each other and help each other, creating a loving environment together. As for Huang, as the peacock prince, his beauty is not only reflected in his feathers, but also in his kind and loving heart. Every animal is willing to dedicate themselves to him because they know that in this kingdom, there's a prince full of wisdom and compassion who has been silently guarding them